Hey everyone, today I'm excited to share how I created a handmade earth model using simple materials you can find at home. It was a fun and creative process, and I'll walk you through each step from the base structure to the final painted globe. Let's dive in. We started by preparing a movable base using a layer of plastic wrap. This helped us detach the model easily once it was completed. Next, we mixed homemade glue using all-purpose flour and the water, which is eco-friendly and effective. Using this glue, we applied a thin layer of cardboard sheet, carefully trimming the edges to match the spherical shape. We repeated this process, adding 4 layers of cardboard to build a sturdy structure. Each layer was glued and shaped with precision. Once the cardboard dried completely, we added a layer of tissue paper. This gave us surface smooth finish, perfect for painting. After the tissue layer dried, we applied a coat of white acrylic distemper. This served our base color and helped the final colors pop. With the white layer set, we sketched the world map using pencil, carefully outlining continents and borders. Now comes the fun part, painting. We used a vibrant, fast blue color to represent the oceans. Painted rich green for landmasses. To make the borders stand out, we outlined them with black paint, adding definition clarity to the map. Each stroke brought the art to life, and the colors blended beautifully across the surface. After everything dried, we gently removed the model from the base, and here it is, Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.